The top contenders. Sukhoi Su-35 Russia, widely considered the most maneuverable operational fighter jet today. Why? It stands out. 3D thrust vectoring engines move independently, can perform extreme post-stall maneuvers. Cobra, Bell Colbert, exceptional low-speed control and nose-pointing ability. V. Incredible agility. But modern air combat favors sensors and missiles over Sukhoi Su-35 Russia, the most maneuverable stealth fighter. Highlights: advanced thrust vectoring plus stealth shaping. Excellent high-angle love attack performance. Combines agility with modern sensors. F-22 Raptor USA, the most maneuverable Western fighter ever built. Why it's special? 2D thrust vector, superb energy retention in turns, designed for real combat effectiveness, not airshow tricks. Note: slightly less flashy than Sukhoi, but extremely lethal in real engagements. Chengdu J-20 China, newer variants with thrust vectoring engines. Maneuverability improving, but still less proven than Su-35 F-22. So, what's the real answer? Pure maneuverability, airshow, and post-stall. Best balance of maneuverability plus stealth plus combat realism. F-22 Raptor, most maneuverable stealth fighter overall. Su-57